This doesn't sound like what people expect from God. He confused and scattered the people so they can't be united as one. Let's explore the deeper meaning of what happened to the Tower of Babel. What if God didn't stop the Tower of Babel because of the tower, but because of what it represented? Imagine a world where everyone speaks the same language. No barriers, no confusion. One people, with one goal. Perfect, right? Let's explore. This happens after the flood, after humanity was given a second chance through Noah. God had commanded people to spread out across the earth. Genesis 9:1 says, God told Noah and his sons, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the earth." Instead, they gathered in one place, in a land called Shinar, unified, organized, and determined to rise together. It was an early form of organized rebellion, built around human authority. Their desire to stay together was also largely driven by fear. They were afraid of being scattered and perhaps didn't trust God to protect them in new lands. And the story becomes darker. In the book of Genesis 11:4, they say, "Let us build ourselves a city and a tower that reaches to the heavens." This wasn't just architecture, it was ambition, control, identity without God. So they begin building something massive, a tower reaching into the heavens, as a center of power and pride. Their primary goal was self-promotion and fame. They wanted to establish their own reputation and glory rather than honoring or glorifying God. In Genesis 11:6, God says, "Nothing they plan will be impossible for them." God is speaking about the power of unified rebellion, and that their collective power had become a weapon against their own spiritual well-being. In Genesis 11:7 it says, "Come, let us go down and confuse their language, so they will not understand each other." Genesis 11 verse 9 says, "From there the Lord scattered them over the face of the whole earth." God didn't destroy the tower with flood, fire, thunder, or lightning. Instead, he simply removed their ability to communicate, which made further building impossible. The tower was abandoned and left unfinished. Some believe this wasn't punishment, but protection. A united humanity without God could become unstoppable, but also dangerously self-centered, and can fall under one tyrant rule. The tower wasn't the problem, it was what it represented, humanity trying to replace God with itself. But here's the unsettling thought. Did God divide humanity to protect us from ourselves? And if unity without truth led to Babel, what happens when humanity unites again, without God? Type Babel if this made you think deeper. Like and subscribe if you're curious about Bible mysteries explained, hidden truths, and biblical interpretations and insights that may change how you see a story.